8 or 9, and we were asked to do a school project, and I, of my own choice, chose World Hunger. I researched it as a 9-year-old and read up on it and couldn't understand how the country I lived in had so much in the way of abundance and more than enough, and so many millions of people were starving. So I just didn't understand that, and that led me to doing the law, to studying law, only because I felt it would be a way to give those issues, the environmental issues and justice issues, which I believe are inextricably linked. Journey Home is really a warning from the future to us in the present day. And there are no two ways about it, that the path that we have been on, that we are on, will lead to destruction. And all life on Earth as we know it will cease to exist. It just cannot, and we are going closer and closer to the cliff from which there will be no return. So the opportunity to do something is narrowing. And there is a link with that environmental degradation, what we're doing to the planet and what we have been doing to the planet for ever since the Industrial Revolution. There is a link between global health, planetary health, and it's just this disease that I think I've mentioned before of just consumption and just, we can't get enough of, I don't know what we can't get enough of, but it's never enough. And it's just, we're just spinning around in circles, getting busier and busier and anesthetizing ourselves with drugs or alcohol, which deadens us even more. So there's a really simple solution, which is just to stop and be still and stay with yourself and really face whatever feelings you're facing and to say, no, we don't want this anymore. And, it's exactly the message that, Bernie Sanders is saying, and it's threatening to those that are the establishment. That's why he is being shut down. And, it's not going to be an easy path, but it's a path I believe we have to take in order to ensure our survival.